Star holders enjoy revenue share based on their tier, commission fees from their referrals, and other attractive perks. By increasing your Star token holdings and achieving higher Star tiers, you receive revenue share bonuses, leading up to a 4x revenue share bonus for our most prestigious Diamond tier. Getting a higher Star tier is also essential for affiliates, as you will earn a commission of up to 50% of trading fees from StarBot users who used your referral link. Two massive perks in one. The Star token is your ticket to StarBot's generous revenue share and referral commission. The best way to buy Star tokens is directly through StarBot. StarBot will take care of all slippage settings for you and protect you from front-running bots. A flat fee of 1% is charged on each trade made with StarBot. There are only 10 million Star tokens and all are in circulation, making Star twice as scarce as Bitcoin itself. First, any commission rewards for affiliates are taken from this 1% fee and distributed directly to the corresponding StarBot affiliates. Current referral commissions are between 25% and 50% depending on your Star token tier. Then, 15% of the remaining fee goes to the StarBot team, 10% goes to the marketing operations wallet, and the remaining 75% of the fee goes to the pool for Star holders. As you can see, the Star utility token was designed for the community to succeed with the project. Star commanders are heroes of the community. On an individual basis, some users may be granted the Star Commander title and advance to the Diamond tier, even without owning the required amount of tokens. This will be based on achieving a certain number of referrals and/or trading a certain amount of volume using StarBot. For Rev Share, the proportion a Star Commander receives is still dependent on the amount of Star they actually hold, though they do get the Diamond tier bonus.